In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the unusual activity detected error on Elevenlabs with a quick step-by-step guide. Let's jump right into it. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the Elevenlabs homepage by entering the URL for the Elevenlabs free text-to-speech and AI voice generator. This is where you'll begin addressing the issue at hand. Once you're on the site, you'll want to look for the sign-in option. Typically, you'll see this at the top right corner of the page. Click on Sign In to log in to your Elevenlabs account. If you're not already registered, you'd need to create an account, but let's assume you're already signed up. After logging in, you'll be automatically directed to the Elevenlabs home screen. This is your dashboard where all the magic happens. Here, you can access various features and resolve any issues, such as the unusual activity detected notification you're currently facing. While still on the home screen, look for the Upgrade option. Now, you might be wondering why we're going this route. Upgrading can sometimes recalibrate your account settings and permissions, clearing up any flags related to unusual activity. Click on Upgrade, which usually takes you to the subscription management section of the website. The next step involves navigating to the Subscription tab. Accepting the upgrade sometimes involves a small fee, but more importantly, it ensures your account has the necessary permissions and limits to support your activity. Click on the Subscription option and ensure everything here is up to date. An outdated subscription plan or expired details might lead to these notifications. While you are in the subscription section, review your billing information as well. Check for any discrepancies or unpaid dues. It's important that your payment information is current and that your subscription is active. That should resolve the unusual activity notification. If you continue to experience issues, a good practice is to reach out to Elevenlabs support for direct assistance. They can provide deeper insights into your account activity and any other underlying issues. To recap, navigating through these steps on Elevenlabs platform should effectively address and resolve any unusual activity alerts, allowing you to regain full functionality of your account without further interruptions. Keep in mind, it's always wise to use your account within the service's terms, avoiding automation tools or excessive concurrent logins, which might trigger such alerts. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. If it resolved your issue, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.